Good morning, children. Today in our class we are going to learn a very important lesson, which is very useful and it is very safe, and how we have to keep ourselves protect from these all things. Okay, what is our lesson? Lesson number 12, danger accident. Lesson number 12, danger accident. So nowadays we are watching in TV so much of accidents. Even in the road also we see some guy, some boy or some man, he has met with accident while riding a bike or while driving a car also. Yes, when they lost their concentration, that time they get their bike, it may go and dash it to other vehicles also, and they met an accident. Why it is happens? Because they, while driving a car or while driving a bike, we must not use our cell phones. We must not use our cell phones, and we must concentrate on our way where we are going, and all the traffic rules we must obey. And while driving this bike, we must wear helmet first. Yes, to children. So in each and every place, even in the board also, they used to write wear helmet while driving bike, or while driving a bike, go slowly, like that. If a road is under construction, means what they used to say, road is under construction, so you have to go slowly or take diversion, like that they all say. So yes, even not only in the outdoors but also in the indoors also. You small children, what you all do when there is no when our elders are not at home, what you people do? You people iron yourself, your cloth. That time what you will do? You will make the iron to stand like this. Yes, you make the iron in the standing position, and when you do the cloth properly, dress properly, that time you will get injured in your on finger. Yes, you get injured on finger. That has a burn sensation. So that must not do. Even you say, no, I'm going to do Maggi. No, I'm going to cook Maggi or noodles. That time what you will do? You will take one vessel and you will keep on the gas with full of water, and you will take like that only, without any support of cloth. You will take like that only with the hand. That time what happens? You will feel hot sensation, hot burn sensation. Yes, that must not be happen. Whatever you are doing, you must be careful. Keep your elders with you. Okay, you have to take the guidance from your elders. While bursting the cracker also, you must keep your parents with you. Okay, when elders are not there, don't use any electric things, or don't go near the gas stove, and don't burst the crackers also. Okay, children. So in this lesson we are going to learn all these precautions. Okay, so shall we start? Yes. So open page number 101, 101. So lesson number 12, danger accident. So observe the picture given below. What is happening in each of the picture? Write the space provided. Why did this happen? Think. So here few pictures have given, children are given. So we have to write why this boy has fallen down from the terrace. While playing with the kite, he is flying the kite. That time he was standing at the corner of the terrace. So we must not stand like that. Okay. So his leg got slipped and he fall down from the terrace. So that not should be happen. What you have to keep elders with you, elder brother or ask your mom to stand with you. Okay, then you have to be distance with the terrace while flying a kite. Okay, next. Here what happened? A boy, he was bursting a cracker and the cracker burst near his leg only and he got hurt. That also, so you must not do like this. Okay, so you may get injured in your leg. So what happened? So you have to write here. The boy fell down from the terrace. Why? Because a leg slipped from the terrace. So he fall down. Here a boy was bursting a crackers. That time he was standing there and he got hurt. Okay, next here. In the kitchen, the water was spilled on the floor, and he has not observed that. Directly he was walking and he got slipped from the water. So what we should do? We must see each and everything. If anything is there, we must clean that place and we have to walk forward. Okay, children. So what happened? A boy's leg slipped because of water spilled and he fall down. Like that you have to write. Okay, next. While playing, two boys, they were playing. While playing, the another boy, he pushed the other boy. Yes, so we must not push any other. They also get hurt, no children? Yes, if they get injured means you feel bad. So you must not push others. What you have to write here? While playing with ball, the boy pushed the another boy. Okay, next here. The girl, she has kept her vessel for hot water, and without cloth she is holding that vessel, and she got burned in her hand. Okay, and her hand got burnt. That you don't do like that. Okay, you have to keep any cloth or call your elders to take this vessel. Okay, next here what the boy is doing, he is using matchstick to clean his ear. Is it right, children? No, we must use earbud to clean our ear. Okay, so what is doing a boy? Using matchstick to clean his ear. Here what the girl is doing, the girl while sharpening the pencil, she got hurt. What she is using? Blade. We must not use blade, no children. It is very sharp things. We must not use any sharp things. Even in the class, nobody is there. We must not bring blade, scissors or anything. We must not bring. Okay. We must use sharpener to sharpen the pencil. And here why this boy has fallen down? Because he was climbing on the tree, so he fall down. Without the support, he fall down from the tree. Next here, while swinging, the boy fell down. Yes, so unfortunately he fall down without support. Here the boy is drowning in the water. While if you people don't know swimming means, don't go near the water. Okay, without elders you must not go near the water or pond. Okay, children. Next, here the wall is very high and the boy was trying to climb or trying to sit and he fall down. Here what he is doing, he was ironing his dress. That time he got hurt in his hand. Okay, children. So what you have to write here? he got while ironing his dress, he got burned in his finger. Okay, so these all situation of accident. Some may occur inside the house and other may occur outside the house. These are very dangerous. So you must notice, you must be very careful with each and every word. Okay, children. Next, don't board a moving vehicles. Follow the queue to board a bus. Don't put your head or hand outside the window while you are traveling in a vehicle. Don't play in the street. While going near the well, tank, pond or river, you should be with your elders. Okay. So when you are going on a vehicle or when you are moving to any other place, while the bus is moving, means that time you must not climb. When the bus has stopped, that time you can climb and sit in the, so you can take your seat. And when the bus or train is moving, that time you must not show your hand outside the window, or don't put your head outside the window. Okay. And next is, don't play in the street. When you are walking on the road, you must not play on the road. You may meet accidents. Okay, so you must not play or you must not run. Next, while going to the well, river or tank or a pond, you must be with your elders, that is your parents. You must be with your parents. You may see, while going, you will say, wow, what a nice pond, river are there, I'll go and play in that water. That must not do. Okay, you must take your parents with you, and you can enjoy your days. Okay. Next, what here are some pictures. Okay, so you have to take which is right and which is wrong. Okay, so here no one are there with this girl while bursting the cracker. Is it right? No. So you have to put cross mark. Okay. Next, here while bursting the crackers, the parents are standing behind her. So this is right. So you have to put tick mark. Okay. Here, while crossing the road, she got hurt with a piece of glasses. So if the piece of glasses are there, means what we should do? We have to clean it with the sweeper, or if any paper is there, we have to collect that all glass piece and put it into the dustbin. Same here, the girl, what she is doing, here all are playing, and here that girl is collecting all piece of glasses and she is cleaning that place. And here what these boys are doing, they are fighting, they are playing with the balls like this. But we must not play like this. Okay, we may get hurt or we hurt each other. So we have to pass the ball. We have to stand in a circle and we have to pass ball to each other. And here see how children, they are going into the class. Do we have to run in the class like this while entering to the class? No. We must form a queue while entering into the class. Okay, that is a good habit. Next, sing and enjoy. Swinging and swinging up and down. Vaishali pushes it fast. Vaishali fell down. Swinging, while swinging up and down, Vaishali was pushing her from the back side, and Vaishali, she fell down. While they are playing on the swing, means we must not push anyone. Okay, otherwise they will fall down without any support. Up and down the trees, playing the monkey prank, climbing and slipping, he fell down. While up and down the tree, playing the monkey prank, means how the monkey he jumped from one place to another, like one tree to another tree, and how the monkey climb Like that same way this boy also, he was climbing and his leg was slipped and he fall down. So we must not imitate like a monkey. Okay, so we may get injured on our leg or on our body. Leg got fractured, can't walk. Oh friend, it has to be plastered. Be careful, my friend. So what happened while climbing and the leg got slipped and his leg has got fractured. What the another friend is saying? Oh friend, your leg has got fractured. So you have to plaster your leg. So next time you have to be very careful, friend. Like that, the another friend is saying. Bursting the cracker, enjoy with pleasure. The crackers bursted with a great sound. So what we are saying? Bursting the cracker with enjoy and pleasure. While bursting the cracker, we enjoy a lot, no? Yes. So there was a great sound of crackers. Doom, doom, sweet, sweet crackers like that. And the sound of crackers. Yes. Go round on the floor trying to escape. The cracker hit the eye. Yes, while bursting the cracker, the rocket, it was while bursting the rocket, it went like this sweet like that, and the crackers trying to escape, and it was rounding and rounding, and it hit into our eyes. Oh, the eyes got burning. The doctor bandaged around. I can't see and I can't play. No more crackers in future. So while playing with the crackers, we must be very careful. Okay, children. So we have to see all around us who all are standing. So while bursting crackers, we must be very careful. It may hit on our eyes. The burning part or burning piece may hit on our eyes, and we can't able to see or we can't able to play also. Okay, children. So I hope you all have understood this lesson on danger and accident. Okay, so you must, while traveling or while walking on the road, you must be very careful. Okay, children. Next we go for our keywords. Danger, D-A-N-G-E-R, danger. Accident, A-C-C-I-D-E-N-T, accident. Indoor, I-N-D-O-O-R, indoor. Outdoor, O-U-T, out, D-O-O-R, outdoor. Occur, O-C-C-U-R, occur. Dangerous, D-A-N-G-E-R-O-U-S, dangerous. Burning, B-U-R-N-I-N-G, burning. Crackers, C-R-A-C-K-E-R-S, crackers. Window, W-I-N-D-O-W, window. Footboard, F-O-O-T, foot, B-O-A-R-D, board, footboard. Climbing, C-L-I-M-B-I-N-G, climbing. S-L-I-P-P-I-N-G, slipping. Precautionary, P-R-E-C-A-U-T-I-O-N-A-R-Y, precautionary. Prank, P-R-A-N-K, prank. Bursted, B-U-R-S-T-E-D, bursted. So I hope you all have understood, children. So write all those keywords 5 times in your rough note. Next time I'll come with another lesson. Thank you.